Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to log into your ClickFunnels affiliate dashboard. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate or just getting started, this step-by-step tutorial will help you access your account with ease. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your web browser. Begin by opening your preferred web browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Step 2. Navigate to the ClickFunnels login page. In the address bar, type in the URL for ClickFunnels, www.clickfunnels.com. Once the website loads, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Click on the Login button. Click on the Login button. This will direct you to the ClickFunnels login page where you will enter your account details. Step 4. Enter your email address. On the login page, you will see two fields. In the first field, enter the email address associated with your ClickFunnels account. Make sure to double-check for any typing errors. Step 5. Enter your password. In the second field, enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Your Password link to reset it. Step 6. Click on the Login button. After entering your email and password, click on the Login button to access your dashboard. Step 7. Access your affiliate dashboard. Once you are logged in, navigate to the affiliate section of your dashboard. This is where you will find all your affiliate links, statistics, and performance metrics. Step 8. Explore your dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various features available in your affiliate dashboard. You can view your earnings, manage your links, and access helpful resources that can enhance your affiliate marketing efforts. That's it. You're now logged into your ClickFunnels affiliate dashboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content.